Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.
Join our Facebook group, Discovering Newfoundland. Good morning from St. John's, Newfoundland.
We're here at Bowring Park. It was purchased and donated in 1911 by Sir Edgar Bowring, and it officially opened in 1914. There's about 200 acres to explore, so come with us and let's see what we can discover. It's quite the busy little place this morning. We're all looking for some food.
Splash pad here, and that pool looks like it's huge over there.
This park so far has quite a bit to offer. There's even a skate park, lots of outdoor recreational activities here to enjoy.
That's a really neat stone bridge.
This statue was donated to the children of Newfoundland because of a little girl who loved this park, and it was donated by Sir Edgar Bowring.
Interesting.
Yeah, it's a nice statue.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Interesting story on how a fish ladder works. There's a series of steps from lower to higher elevation, and they consist of these little pools, so the fish can jump in between pool and rest. This way the fish isn't wasting too much energy to be able to climb up the little river into the pond, thus not causing the fish undue stress. And it gives them these resting areas as they're trying to reach their destination. Another little waterfall, lots of boardwalk. This park has a lot to offer. This is a war memorial.
So what is it, hon?
It's a labyrinth.
Really?
Yeah, you want to go try it out?
Sure.
So you look for the opening in the circle to enter and follow the lightly colored brick path to the center. The path curves continuously through the circle, weaving back and forth for about 348 meters or 1,140 feet.
Now we're on the Southbrook Trail. How long is this one? 1.4 kilometers.
This walkway follows the flow of the river. It's really well planned out.
Back at the bridge, heading out, I guess. The Fighting Newfoundland are presented to the City of St. John's by Honorable Sir Edgar R. Bowring. Pretty cool tree, eh?
This tree is absolutely phenomenal. It is so cool. I'm not sure what type of tree this is.
I don't know what it is, but it's really neat.
Yeah, it's incredible. There's some nice fall colors.
Yeah, some red, some yellow, some orange.
This one here, it's got burgundy and red. What a great day we had. Bowring Park was a really nice place to come. Lots to do, lots to see. In the summer you can come and enjoy the splash pad and the pool. A great place for families. Come out, take some photos, get a little exercise. It was a great day at Bowring Park.